Myself, my name is Rani and I'm going to show you how to make Milk Peda. Actual components of Milk Peda are only milk and sugar. So I'll show you how to prepare Milk Peda with just these two components. These are the ingredients. This is milk. This is 1 liter milk. This is 1 cup of sugar for 1 liter. This is saffron, few strands of saffron in water. This is cardamom. We have to add just a pinch of cardamom in this. And pista, we'll just use for garnish a few bits or the whole as you like. And ghee in the end just to give it a little massage and make it quite softer. So we'll use very little ghee. I'm going to add the milk. The main thing you should remember when you're making this Milk Peda, we are going to condense it to a mava first. The heat should be low to medium. It should not be kept high. It will take around 45 to 50 minutes to bring it to that level. But if you make it high, either you will burn the pan or the color will change. You won't get the desired result. Just similarly, like there is no shortcut to success, there is no shortcut to Milk Peda. You have to go through 45 minutes. Now you're seeing the milk has reduced. From all the sides. Yeah, that's it. And now we're going to close the gas, because you see, even after the gas is closed, it's going to keep cooking. And remove it in the plate. Don't wait for it to become very firm. It will become firm as it cools down. Now just take little bit ghee on your hand, very little, just a pinch of it. And take little bit of this mava, very delicately, and just place it like this on your hand, just form it. Don't have to too much make it round or something, just very soft hands to get that natural shape like this. Please subscribe to this channel and do try this recipe. This is Rani signing off. Thank you.